Hey everyone, welcome back to Keto Asian Flavors. It's Anne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a keto vegan version of my keto noodle recipe. I personally like to limit my soy product consumption due to inflammation, but I understand that this is a great source of protein for our keto vegan friends. In today's keto vegan noodle recipe, I will be using this organic extra soft tofu as one of the ingredients. Per 85 grams of this extra soft tofu, there's a total of 1 gram of carb, 0 dietary fiber, 0 sugars, and 4 grams of protein. Turn on your high-speed blender on low speed and keep it running while you add the ingredients. First, add in your organic extra soft tofu. Then, the sea salt, xanthan gum, and sodium alginate. Once the sodium alginate is added in the blender, increase the speed to high and blend for 3 minutes. It will thicken and then will thin out as it blends on high speed. The friction of the blades will increase the temperature and the mixture will get hot, just like making soups in a blender. If you skip this step and the mixture did not reach its hot temperature before cooling, it might be harder to extrude from the bottle. Cool the mixture in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and remove the air bubbles on the top. Meanwhile, prepare the calcium bath. You can use calcium chloride or calcium lactate. Today I'm using calcium chloride. Add it to the water and stir until it's completely dissolved and the water is clear. Fill a bottle with the mixture and extrude it into the calcium bath. Remember to extrude it from the side to give room for the noodles to form. The sodium alginate will react to the calcium bath and it will form a gel wall. Leave the noodles in the calcium bath and do not touch it until it's fully set. Time to set will depend on the thickness of the noodles. To mimic egg noodles or spaghetti noodles, color the noodles by adding some turmeric powder to the mixture. Follow the same steps as previously shown. Cool the mixture in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and remove the air bubbles on the top. Remember to extrude it from the side to give room for the noodles to form. Leave the noodles in the calcium bath for at least 2 hours before use, but overnight is best if your noodles are thicker. You can store the noodles in the calcium bath for up to 7 days in the fridge. You will have the option to soften the noodles and change its texture by using hot water, baking soda, and lemon juice. This step is optional but highly encouraged as it does make a difference. I find that this version doesn't require much soaking time while softening, so do keep that in mind. More detailed information and tips, including how to soften the noodles, are in these 3 videos. I will link them in the description box. Thanks for watching everyone. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Keto Asian Flavors for more innovative recipes like this. If you would like to support me on Patreon, I will include the link below. Perks for top-tier members include recipe requests, behind-the-scene contents, exclusive recipes, giveaways, and more. See you next time.